escalator. So may parking space tayo, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So this will be open of course not only sa students but sa mga customer natin dito sa SM. Okay, let's proceed. Actually, classrooms will start 6, 7, 8, and 9 is the open space for future expansion pa. And then sa 9, open na siya for mga open space PE classes. Pwede na dito kasaka. Pero, ang area sa Dalam, it's more on the commercial area. Sige, let's proceed. Ang gym, dali pa banda. Gym.
Welcome to National University Bacolod. So we are officially open today. So we will have facility.
This is the main lobby of our school. It is a centralized air conditioning area. But ang ground floor, actually duwa na di ka office, is the office for classroom and laboratories ang amon civil engineering. Pero hopefully next year siya ma-open. Kaya nag-apply kami, so wala nakahabol. So this is the main lobby. By the way, we have to access entrance sa students. This one and the escalator for those na may mga salakyan. So our students will be using this for IDs, for scanning. And then we have our security office and isolation room. It was required during the pandemic. So, although nga why not the pandemic, hopefully wala na gid. So, may isolation room ng kami gapon in case. Okay, this is our manu guard and our security office. This room is the, if you notice, is for universal testing room for our civil engineering courses. At typically, we use this our admission of those nga gusto mag-enroll dali. Okay, and our admin office for the meantime while para accessible sa kanan. Pwede din sa magsaka pa. Sige, let's have first our water. Okay, while waiting for our elevator.
Thank you.
Kulang tubig ta. We have to access elevator. This is for the students, now for the students to access. Actually, this elevator directly access to the 6th floor. 6th floor, hindi na siya maka-access sa mga parking space. So, ang sa mga parking space natin, using the escalator. Sige, let's wait. Sana ka mo na ganun. Alright, sige. Kasya kami. 10 lang. Sige. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. O, nag-12 na sa ako. Kaya 15. Alright. Alright, please. Sige, kasya.
Featuring
21 ko no max.
Maximum 21. Kaya ako kasi dalawa na kami. Alright. 6th floor.
Inibigay how much ang payable upon enrollment?
Our upon enrollment is 6,000. Pero actually, honestly, ang impression mahal, pero kung makita yung figure, it's a bit lower compared to other school, even in my, Basta, if you want to ask about the total, you just go down later. For
Sa Bacolod, 1.5 ang rate of payable upon enrollment.
I know. Sige. Welcome to 6th floor. Alright. Sige. We are now located in 6th floor. We will start here sa right side. Okay.
6th floor.
Actually, this is another entrance, access to the students here. So may elevator, may another elevator dito. So meaning, kung estudyante may salakyan or halin sila sa mall or sa ground floor, pwede sila kasaka dira using escalator from ground floor. Hasta diri, and then butangan pag in-addition namon access for the ID. Then may elevator man dito. Okay? So pwede pa rin naman ma-utilize sa main entrance. And this will be Kung you're going to look at it, taas na ta sa Yagidja ka SM. Makita mo, magsaka ka pa rin sa 8th floor, makita mo ng bilog area of Bacolod. This will be our access to the next bridge, the next tower. Actually, daw tapusan na sa sulod. Ganit kayo daw, yun naman kita. Kaya naman French, hindi pa
Balik lang. Balik. Kaya wala ko ginaupod. Hindi ko na pag-i-edit yung storage.
On your left, this will be our chapel. We have two chapels, by the way. This is for the Catholic students, for the Catholic. And then we have another chapel for common. Common, religion. We will pass this way. Kaya para mag-cross na later. Actually, this area, we call it one-stop shop, kumbaga, ang ininga floor. Because if you want to enroll or access, tanan ari na din. Amon yung finance, amon registrar, amon HRD, kung gusto ka mag-apply, testing room, lahat-lahat inigid nga floor. Inigid nga floor. And then, kung while waiting, if you want to pray, may prayer room kami diri. And then, kung gusto ka magbakal sa merchandise namon, we have our Bulldog exchange here. This is our chapel. And this is our exchange. Dili na talaga merchandise.
Why ka mo mga scholars?
Mayroon mga, follow lang ang page, kaya may mga scholarship.
Ay, to.
May mga scholarship. And I'm proud to say, why panadaamon at mga emergency. This is our clinic.
Ay, wow. Kanang.
Looks like
Tako.
the emergency room
The
ng
hospital, diba?
Equipped with hospital, 6 hospital beds.
Tako.
We have everyday duty doctor and mga dentist. And for other information for mga medical, may lactation for those nga may mga, syempre may mga kapatid, may mga bata. We have medical, dental, may lactation, and this is our staff room for our supplies.
Station,
And we have our own
medical,
CR.
dental.
Theology class.
Ako maalang-alang may dalang na bata.
Your subjects.
Theology,
Oo.
wala.
Non-sectarian.
Non-sectarian kami.
Psychology.
Psychology lang, ha? So kung mag-full blast, this is centralized aircon. Ay, sige, magdali mo. Okay.
Nagigit ko ka mga first batch. Yeah.
Yeah, oo. Sige. So,
Daw is kuila.
may mga
Pa-enroll liwat para first batch.
For mga meetings. We have our very good CR. For babae and lalaki, we have, in fact, we have our own shower room for those kalin sa gym, bala gusto mag-shower sa other side.
Wala ka mo siya LGBT.
LGBT, hindi. We have
Oo,
one
kasi
as-
mademand mo sila.
Yung CR for the LVGV.
Okay. And now we have our
Biology laboratory.
Our shower room, dali na di siya. So, Lord, may mga shower room sa babae, lalaki access sa gym. Pero we cannot show that for the meantime. This is the shower room for male and female. So, pwede na lang siya masunod. So, mag-shower ka mo, gym. Ay, door access sa gym.
Yeah, may door access.
Mabukas tayo.
Sa different laboratory for biology. Babae at saka
For,
Then,
I think
sa
this
other
is for
side, kung
hospital.
natutong ka, ano lang yan?
Biology laboratory.
Then, our biology staff room, I hope, equipped na ginadi siya, galing kaya. Are you being inside? This one is at the staff room, centralized sa duwa, laboratory, ang staff room, gusto dispense. civil engineering naman at saka sa mga biology part of society.
Okay, so we have here soil mechanics laboratory and biology laboratory. Sige.
Okay. Welcome to our Learning Resource Center or known as library. So please, dayon kamo.
Ayan ka mo sa inyo, bakal.
We have our own mga system there, pero for now wala pa na sa tapay kaya buok pa bala. So we have our discussion room 1 and 2. Pwede natin siya ma-open. So kung may mga small group discussion ng teacher or kamo lang mga students, mga small group discussion kamo, pwede kamo di ka book and then pwede kamo ka-discuss. And if you notice, we have only few books because it's all online. Online lahat na books. So if you want to draw, may mga drawing kita. And then eventually, actually, next year, hopefully, we'll be offering more courses like architecture, engineering.
Engineering.
Postgraduate please.
Hindi pa for now, sir. Wala pa.
Like law.
Oh, wala. Hopefully, we will.
MPA.
But we're on the process of, kumbaga, ginasalihan pa nila ang market. So our multimedia room, this is kinabang may group kamo nga mag-discuss. Dako di siya, pero this can be divided into 3 rooms.
Multimedia.
May collapsible na di siya nga portable lang nga gina-fold-fold. Nga kung mga small discussion bala. Pwede na di siya. And then, computers, amon na ding amon online sources na sa computers. Those nga nga gusto yung mag-research. And then if you want to read, kag you want to rest, may mga bean bags kami diri, na pwede ka na kahigda-higda. And then another discussion room 3, kang mga gusto mag-discussion, mga thesis writing, mga group works bala, sa student.
Free only Wi-Fi.
Yeah, only Wi-Fi. I think each students will be given load every month. Access. Actually, I hear NU has its own provider. Sa India, gidya ka SM na
Network.
sa network. Sige, dito mapas. Balik ka di, para di ka mabigyan. Sige, we will pass by here.
This is the...
This is our others, our classrooms and laboratories for our
Civil engineering
mga
stock
mga
room.
engineering courses natin.
Okay. Hydraulics laboratory.
One of the example of our classroom for senior high, it's here. Kung na naka-table, yan naka-college. Ang iniya glass boards na kanitanan.
So, may siyang classroom sa ilang senior high, guys. And then... GPU, SNR. SNR Bacolod. Ang ini. Ay, lading ang sa baba.
Actually, may ara, pero we don't give yet. Pero kung gusto ka dito, sir, makadumi ka sa admission. Online, ha? Tanan nga books online. Pag computer.
Bago na, may bagutan.
Even sa enrollment. Ako na pa mga documents sa scan.
Isa buong ongoing.
Ongoing enrollment. O, damo. Ato ka gina mga bata. Ito ka enrollment.
Sama sa mga start
Open,
na.
yes.
Wow, manugako.
One of the classrooms.
Wala ka na campaign, ma.
Wala pa kayo ng Sige lang. Okay, tawagan niyo eh. Ano lang naman na, maka-check up lang. Initial lang ka ng classroom na diya sang senior high. All senior highs will be occupying the actually, 6th floor. Actually, kung lang tawon, yung mga kagamay, kung lang namo classroom, kay tungod dapat libot, tambok ang building eh. Dari both sides may room. Daso dito sa piyak, both sides may room na maliwat. Banya mo na yung side.
So may napa-enroll ka na sa ila?
So, gina-convince ko pa sila. This is one of the classroom man niya sa mga may mga paperworks, may mga writings, sa pulabi.
So hindi tanan amo ni?
Or
Hindi.
sila course ng ginapanita ko. Masters in Political Science.
Ato wala mo din mag-offers makulo.
Why tabo ka pa to?
Our drawing room, pwede na sa mga drawing rooms.
Drawing room. Drawing room sila guys.
So,
Bongga.
all classrooms, represent television, wala pa lagi dito. Drawing room, counting pa lang nila ba dapat nila-adjourn na ba na para sa pools. Tingnan sa ano lang,
Toilet.
we have our own, kumbaga doon ka